Hi everybody, this is Monica again. This is another card from the Simon Says Stamp Card Kit of the Month for January 2019. So I'm just trying to come up with some combinations of paper that were included and that I have, and that top left pink card was my layout inspiration. So there's my back panel for it, and I've cut out all the other pieces that I'm going to need. And I started thinking maybe I should put polka dots on there because I want it to be a snowy scene, and I just bought an embossing folder that had polka dots on it. So I thought about that, and I went, yeah, I think I'll use that. So there, I have it. I embossed it, but it's been a while, and I can't remember if I had the settings wrong or what, but I did not expect that hole to be cut out, and especially because it's all ragged on the edge. So I thought, well, I can use it anyway. And then I thought, I don't know what to do. I cannot stay on task sometimes. I just have a new idea and a new idea and another new idea, and I finally just said, I want to get this thing done, and I want to move on and have more fun. I mean, I was having fun, but geez Louise, man. So we're moving on. I don't even know if that had to be a new one. Yeah. So now I'm trying to line it up in the corner with my finger, and then I'll pivot it. And it usually works real good. And as soon as I pivot it, I see the bottom right isn't even, so I'm going to make it, oh crap, it got stuck. So, well, let me pull it off, and the more I pull on it, the more it tears. Oh my God, are you kidding me? Jesus. So, finally, I got it on there. Now I can start assembling all the other pieces that I had already cut. So, this was some of the paper that was in the pack. And then the blue glitter I got at the dollar store some years ago, I'm sure. And I'm just making, I call it lanes, or two lines that are going vertical. And then another one. I can't believe how much trouble I have sometimes. So, and then that oval, it really should have been smaller. I don't know why I didn't take the time, but live and learn. But I think I was thinking I had to cover that hole in the back. Maybe, I don't know. So anyway, now I'm gonna put the middle lane on there with the glitter paper. It's actually glitter foam, and it cuts beautifully in the Big Shot, in the. But I just used it as a panel or a lane. Trim off the excess. This is such a good idea to cut it from the back. So there we finally have the front ready. And now I am going to heat emboss. And I use a dryer sheet to make sure that that the heat embossing powder doesn't stick where I don't want it to. And I'm using red ink because I have red glitter heat embossing powder. I know, I just was in a glittery mood. And this one does not stamp very clear, and I end up doing it again in a second, you'll see here. But I just wanted to show you that I use a card to collect my embossing powder. And it's easier for me than a filter, but to each their own. To me it's just safer when I fold that. I know it's gonna fold on the crease. Anyway, that's my thing. So see, yeah, that's the one that I did better, and I'm just brushing off a few extra little pieces of powder that are on there, and then I'm heat embossing it. And it is really good to get your heat embossing gun hot, hot, hot. That's so pretty. Okay, so now we just need to stick this on the front, And I'm always nervous about how to stick something on glitter paper, so I used a lot of my tape runner, and I was pressing down on it fairly securely, but then I got it a tiny bit off center, but I didn't want to ruin the tape. It's already down there. Then I go to open it, and it won't open the right way, and I did it the wrong way. Are you kidding me? Oh my God, so now I do have to take them off. Oh, brother. So I finally get them off. And then these are the little stars I got from the Dollar Tree, gosh, years ago, and I love them. They're so much better than sequins or rhinestones. They're very flat, but they don't, but they sparkle just as well. So I like them, and I don't know where I'm going to get more. I do have a few more sheets like that, but I've been using those sheets for probably 4 years now. So I finally figured out where to place the last one. And I did not put greeting on the inside, and I usually do something different, and I will be showing that in a new video all about my inserts that I use, and I have a whole library of. See, that one opens the right way. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. This is a new channel, and I'm trying my best to make everything wonderful for you. And hit the like button and leave a comment. I would love to know what you have to say about me and my little videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.